Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk you through our project, MediCheck, the future of complete healthcare management. Now let's start by logging into the website. First we'll go into the user panel. Now enter the email and password. This is the homepage that users see after logging in. Now let's take a look at the full dashboard. Features of MediCheck is its ability to connect with smartwatches. Once connected, it automatically collects data from your watch. It may take some time to connect with your watch. Now you can see that the watch is connected to our web app, so the heart rate has been fetched from the smartwatch. Just the same way oxygen level, blood pressure, steps, and sleep can also be fetched from your smartwatch. Moving on, user can book appointments for health checkups directly from the dashboard. You can see this user already have some appointments scheduled. They can easily create more by following this simple process. That's how the appointment section works. Going to the health goals. You can see user already have these three goals. If he wants, he can create new goals like this. User can manage goals and also can edit, and if needed, can delete the goals. Now next come to the medication section. Here you can see the user already have two medications. If medication increases, he can add more medications like this. Medicating, dosage, schedule. This is one of the most exciting features of MediCheck. Our AI chatbot predicts possible diseases and gives health recommendations based on real-time watch data, and if watch is not available, only by the user symptoms. For example, I'll enter a few symptoms here. That's additional information. Now the AI is analyzing and showing personalized suggestions based on those inputs. Now let's come to the medical record section. User can upload and store previous medical prescriptions or reports here, so they are always easy to access whenever needed. And next come to the appointment section. Users can view all of their upcoming appointments here, as well as they can check their history of past visits. Next come to the emergency assistant feature. This can access the user's live location to provide immediate help during emergencies. The user just needs to select the type of emergency, fill in the required information, and the system will alert the nearest service to respond. There's also a dedicated page for the AI chatbot for more focused interaction if the user wants to consult it directly. Now next to the landing page again and see the other pages. This is our contact page. This is about us. This is our team, our privacy policies, terms and services. Now let's switch to the another tab to see the hospital login. This is the homepage for our hospital portal. This is the MediCheck hospital dashboard, and this is the patient registration form. We can fill patient's data from here. After filling up the patient's registration form, the patient data will show up in recent patients code section, just like this. Now let's come to the appointment section. Here a hospital can see all the requested appointments. For every appointment, there are two options, accept and reject. While accepting an appointment, the hospital has to enter the amount that has to be paid by the patient. After confirming an appointment, the patient can see that his appointment is approved in patient's portal. You can see here that the appointment has been accepted. It's showing in the user panel. Now I get into the hospital panel. Here, if the hospital needs, hospital can also reject an appointment. There is also a dedicated portion for the appointment section. You can see the stats like how many appointments are pending, today's approved appointment, and total confirmed appointments. The hospital can also accept and reject from here too. Let's go to the dashboard section again. Here you can see the recent patient's data over here. You can see this in the patients section too, but with more details. Here you can see the patient's details with more details, and here also the stats about all the patients are available, like total patients, the critical cases, and the stable ones. You can also edit the patient's details from here. Now let's go to the doctor section. Here, every doctor available in the hospital can be visible. If any new doctors join the hospital can add the doctors like this. If any doctor leaves the hospital can also delete doctors from here. Obviously, while deleting the doctors, the hospitals have to enter the passwords. Okay, so that's it for our project.